AI this, AI that, run for the hills, AI is coming. If your business doesn't adopt AI, you're going to be left behind. Okay, well, what does that mean exactly for a business to adopt AI? Are you supposed to just buy each one of your employees a paid version of ChatGPT and call it a day? There, we've adopted AI, leave us alone. Well, you and I both know that's not the solution. And whatever you do, I hope you don't listen to some of these spammy marketers out there right now who are trying to sell everybody these overpriced AI website chatbots and AI phone receptionists. They're charging thousands of dollars a month for these when it only costs them like $50 in an hour to install. In fact, a lot of marketing agencies are in legal hot water right now for doing that. They sold and deployed these basic unguided AI systems, which ended up misleading or flat out lying to customers, thereby harming the business's reputation. So you do have to be careful. AI is like the Wild West right now. And I get it, there's a lot to sift through with AI. And nobody, especially a busy business owner or manager, has enough time to keep up with it all. So let me cut to the chase for you. Here's how small to medium-sized businesses are embracing AI to improve their business and stay competitive. They're leveraging the power of AI to create custom systems and customized automations and software that is specifically tailored to their company and their business model. Doing this streamlines their operation while cutting costs and increasing profits. Now, I know that's a mouthful, so let me explain. With the power of AI now, a single developer trained on the latest AI systems and tools can now do the work of what would have taken 100 highly skilled developers just a few years ago. And there are companies like ours with small, lean teams of highly skilled people that are producing expensive, high-end products and services at a fraction of the time and cost. My name is Jeffrey Smith from Oregon Tek AI. We're a tech company that helps businesses by creating customized implementations of AI that are specifically made for their business. And like our name implies, we're based in Oregon. We started out years ago as a local business, but now we work with companies all over the country. Our small, highly efficient team of engineers, developers, and marketers can now build modern websites, customized software, and customized web apps and automation tools in a tenth of the time and at a tenth of the cost. We're helping small to medium-sized businesses properly adopt AI in various ways, such as automating or even replacing outdated legacy systems or expensive enterprise software suites. We're helping companies integrate and optimize existing tools and processes so they can reduce man hours and overhead. We're creating software systems that streamline their operation so they can underbid their competitors and still be more profitable than them. This may seem a bit nebulous, so let me relate it to your company the best I can. The use cases for adopting AI are virtually unlimited. They're only capped by what we can think of to create and implement for any given business. We've worked with a small one-man food truck who just wanted his customers to be able to place orders through his website and come pick them up in person. We've also worked with a larger telecom industry company to replace their expensive enterprise software suite with a customized solution, saving them 6 figures a year in overhead. And everything we build is run and overseen by our expert team who always has enterprise-level safety and security in mind. Here's what some of our customers from all different types of businesses are saying about working with Oregon Tek AI. Oregon Tek built us automated reports that used to take my team 12 hours a week. Now they're instant, from Jim T. Or how about this one from Jeanette S. Their inventory prediction model has been a game changer for our manufacturing floor. We've cut waste by 30%. And Robert D says, clean dashboards, fast turnaround, and they actually listen. Best tech partner we've ever had. These full case studies and others can of course be seen in detail on our website, but first, let's pick a time to connect so we can find out how Oregon Tek AI can help your business become more streamlined and profitable. Our process is simple. First, we start with a free discovery call where we brainstorm with you to pick out the most valuable and impactful way we can be of service. Once we have that nailed down, and sometimes it takes a few back and forth communications to adjust and finalize, then we can create a proposal for you. The proposal is a clear and detailed scope of work with the exact deliverables, implementation stages and checkpoints, the timeline, safety and security measures, the cost, and of course the end result. If something in the proposal or scope of work needs tweaked or adjusted, then we work directly with your team to pin that down to get the final result. Once the proposal is finalized and agreed upon, we request half of the payment up front. Then we fully develop, complete, and deliver the product to you, and your team is trained on how to use it. Then, when everything is done and in your hands, you send us the remaining half of the payment. And the best part is, your company owns the software, app, or automation tool when we're done. No expensive monthly subscriptions or enterprise-level gatekeeping. Your company owns it outright. And we can, of course, always do upgrades or maintenance to it in the future at our regular hourly rate if you ever need. Maybe you could just use a website upgrade with good search engine optimization and modern tech integrated, including a customer portal and payment system. Or maybe you pay thousands of dollars each month for enterprise software that we can literally recreate and customize and approve upon, saving you thousands of dollars a year. Or maybe you could just use some custom automation software for internal reporting or administration tasks. We can create almost anything now at a fraction of the cost by leveraging the power of recent AI tools and systems. And the headlines are correct. You can indeed either capitalize on the AI revolution, which isn't going anywhere by the way, or you can be left behind using clunky, outdated legacy systems. Smart business owners and managers are not allowing their company to be steamrolled by the AI revolution. Instead, they're getting ahead of the game by grabbing this AI bull by the horns and yanking it into their business model and ordering it to get to work for their benefit. So if you're still watching this video, then you know which camp you're in. Click the link by this video to pick a time for your free consultation with Oregon Tek AI. You'll learn how your business can adopt AI to cut costs and increase profits. And either myself or another capable rep will meet with you. You can add business partners or colleagues to the meeting invite when you book your meeting. Zoom is preferred because you can see us and we can share our screen, but a simple phone call is perfectly fine as well if that works better for you. So click the link now, fill out the form, and pick a time that works best. And let's finally address this AI elephant in the room so your business can remain competitive and profitable in these rapidly changing times.